A good old Plymouth from the good old days, and it's dressed as a squad car. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1977 Plymouth Fury. The model is a 1/18th scale, manufactured by Greenlight Collectibles as a part of their artisan collection. This was released in 2019. Part number is 19069. This was one of the police cars from the 1984 movie Beverly Hills Cop, and it comes in a nice themed box. So let's dig in. I'm experimenting with light yet again, so this video will probably be a bit brighter than usual. I'm open to suggestions, of course. I was always looking to add a Fury to my Plymouth collection, and there aren't many manufacturers that make them. This is a 7th generation B-body Plymouth. Engine options were 225 cubic inch or 3.69 liter slant 6, 360 cubic inch or 5.9 liter V8, or 400 cubic inch or 6.6 liter V8. The 440 cubic inch or 7.2 liter 4-barrel was only a police option on 4-door sedans. Here are some Plymouth Fury models from other police departments as well. You can see the lines on the hood, and it's clear that it's sealed. Same thing with the trunk. The only openings on this model are the 2 front doors. The amount of cars that were crushed in that movie used to upset me. It still does. It feels like the opening is a bit restricted here, but it's not too bad. And here are some of my pictures of the model. The paint job is better than I expected, actually. This police cruiser has a Detroit police badge on it, since the main character from the movie is from Detroit, and the first part of the movie was filmed there. I love police cars, and this was my first. I think Greenlight used the same mold for other Plymouth Fury variations. I like the taillights with the Plymouth logo. The quality of the finishing on some parts isn't very impressive, but in most cases, you get what you paid for. This one retails for around 70 USD. I think this is a pretty average model, but as most police cars are, it's kinda cool. And that's that.